Hey guys, I know a lot of people were struggling figuring out how to run the submission script for problem set number one, especially relative to the two-factor authentication stuff. So I figured I would help you guys out and show you how to do that. So as you can see here, I have two terminal sessions open. These are both on my host machine, and these are both pointing to a folder that I have called Vagrant. Let's see what Vagrant has. So Vagrant has my Vagrant file, and it also has my problem set one. So let's go ahead and boot up the virtual machine. Actually, it's already up, so we can just SSH right into it. Great. So now what we need to do is we need to see where my Vagrant folder is shared on my virtual machine. And by default, unless you've configured it otherwise, it's shared at /Vagrant. And you can see the contents are identical. So let's go ahead and figure out how we are going to set up this JWT. So if we scroll over here to the submission instructions for problem set one, we see we have this link to get our token. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, you can download a web token using this link, and then you can save it here for Mac OS and Linux. All right, so that looks like what we want to do. So let's go ahead and first make the Nelson folder within our home directory within the virtual machine. All right, so we're back over on the virtual machine, and if we cd home and ls, we see there's nothing there. And since the Nelson folder is actually a hidden folder, let's ls-a to see all of our hidden folders and files actually. So we can see that in fact there is no .nelson folder. So let's go ahead and make that directory. All right, and if we do ls-a again, we see, okay, we do have the Nelson directory. Awesome. So let's go ahead and get our JSON web token. Okay, this is it. So let's go ahead and copy that. And over here, let's touch the name of the file. So it's gtomscs_JWT. And let's go ahead and open that file. And we can paste in our JWT. All right, let's quit out of that. And again, because this is our project directory on our host machine, everything that we put in this directory gets automatically shared to our virtual machine at /Vagrant by default. So if we cd back to /Vagrant, we notice that we have the JWT file. And we can just cat it out just for sanity. All right, looks pretty good. Now what we need to do is we need to move it from this directory to the Nelson directory within the home directory. So that's pretty easy. We just move gtomscs_JWT to /tilde/.nelson. All right, and let's cd home ls-a ls.nelson. Great, and just for sanity again, we'll print out the JWT. Great, that looks pretty good. So if we cd back to Vagrant, which is where I actually have my PR1, we'll cd into PR1, and we should be able to /submit, and we'll submit the echo server. And ta-da, it submits. And that's it.